This style is perfect if you're looking for a super quick wash day hairstyle that will also help stretch your hair ready for styling later on in the week. If you're interested in seeing how I did this, then keep on watching. So I'm starting out on freshly washed hair, and my hair is parted off into 4 different sections. To moisturize my hair, I'm using the Umberto Giannini Banana Leave-In Conditioner. I really like this product. It's super moisturizing. It smells amazing. The only thing I don't like about this product is that it doesn't actually have that much slip. I'm able to run my fingers through my hair now because my hair was already detangled when I conditioned it in the shower. But I wouldn't advise using this as a detangling conditioner because I don't find it's the best to help get out knots. So what I'm doing is just moisturizing the back 2 sections first, making sure that I get from root to tip. And to make sure that I'm getting all of my hair, especially the roots, I'm just moisturizing down the parting as well. Then before I move on to the front 2 sections, what I'm going to do is gently brush the roots of the back section. I'm not pulling the brush all the way to the end, literally just the roots. This is just to flatten the back section of my hair. I'm then going to put it into a loose ponytail just to keep the back nice and flat whilst I work on the front. Because if I don't do this, then my hair will puff and shrink back up, and then it will be impossible to get it nice and slick and flat. So moving on to the front, again, just moisturizing the whole section, making sure that all strands are covered in the leave-in conditioner. And I do this on both sides. This front section of my hair is thicker than the back, so what I'm going to do to make sure that my hair lays nice and flat when it's in the ponytail is split the section in half as I'm doing here, and then gently brush the root of that section back and then join it into the ponytail at the bottom to keep it in place. And then I move forward to the front section, brush that bit back, add it into the ponytail, and I do that on both sides. Doing it in sections like this just makes it so much easier to get my hair to actually lay flat without having that bump on the back, and it also reduces manipulation and makes sure that I'm not breaking off my hair trying to fight with it to get it to lay flat. So here, now that all sections are brushed back, I put my hair back into a loose ponytail. This is not the final ponytail. What I'm going to do first is slick down the front. So I'm applying the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk to slick down my hair. And then I'm using a soft brush to really smooth that in and make sure that all my hair is nice and slick and flat. Then I remove the hairband, and this is when I secure the ponytail properly. This is my actual ponytail that I'm going to be keeping in. And before anyone says anything, no, the red mark on my neck is not because I'm pulling too hard or brushing too hard. It is a birthmark and it is always there. So I pull my hair back. As you can see, it's nice and flat and slick. That's from the sectioning and the gel. Then I just split my ponytail into 3 sections. You can detangle again before doing this. I think I did. And then I just go down and braid as far as I can whilst my hands are in this position. But then when it gets too low, I pull the braid around the front and over my shoulder so that I continue braiding all the way down to the end of my hair. To secure the ends, I do use a hairband when I braid my whole hair, just because it will unravel. So I use a small hairband. I got these from Primark, and I just secure the ends. I didn't want to do anything too fancy with my edges, so I just went ahead and put on a satin scarf, tied that down whilst I did my makeup and everything and got dressed. And this is what it's looking like, nice and slick. This is a perfect style for a wash day hairstyle. So you could hop out the shower, put your hair in this style super quick and go. And it's also good for if you're trying to stretch your hair. So yeah, let me know if you try it out. If you take any pictures, make sure you tag me on Instagram. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.